Katy Perry.
Yeah.
Is what we're talking about, and our viewer's name is Riley. So
yeah, I think this was one of the most liked pictures she had on Instagram. It was actually that she brought back the longer hair. So she had short hair for a long time, and I think people just really enjoyed seeing the longer, sexy hair back.
But you don't even recognize her because it's such a huge change from night to day. Right?
Yeah, massive. And I think people just really enjoyed that. People keep requesting, how do you get these mermaid waves? I'm going to show you a few Hollywood secrets I use, which are really, really easy for you guys to use at home. I think when you see it, you'll be surprised at how easy this look is to create.
Come on out, Riley. You do look like a mermaid, and I didn't know that we have brunette mermaids on the team.
Whoa, brunette!
Brunette mermaid! Riley, I dig that. Do you like that?
I love it.
It's really great. Cool.
Yeah.
The secret to this is you don't actually need to use any heat. So the way we prepped her hair was just put the hair into a middle part, and then I actually cheated this look by doing 2 braids. So we just did 2 braids either side of the hair. You need to leave the hair to dry. I would recommend you just go bed in it. So braid your hair at night, nice little tight braid either side.
And you're saying her hair was damp. Her hair was still
hair was damp, so we damped it down. Let it dry overnight, take it out, and you will get that really nice kind of biblical, you know, kind of wave. So it's that mermaid wave that goes in and up and down, and it's different to a curl. Then what we did, just to finish off the look, is use this, and you guys, we're going with the gadgets again.
That looks aggressive, dude.
So what you can do then, and this is effective what I just did in the back, is just grab sections, and this basically gives you that deep wave. So it's not a crimp. Crimp is really 80s. That's not what the trend is. The trend is these kind of loose, kind of, I guess, mermaid waves.
Oh, I see, and you just kind of chomp it every couple of feet there.
So in actual fact, the size of it is what makes it quick. You know, so it's easy to do. So that's kind of one of the go-tos.
Do you have one of these things at home?
I used to.
Are you scared?
It was like the crimpy, scary,
death of
a little bit.
Well, you need to take that one home because that looks good.
This is actually Kim's look we did in Paris. So we did this really long braid. Braids are really in fashion right now.
That's like 5 feet of hair.
5 feet of hair. They're longer than ever. And I guess the braid has become the new ponytail right now. There's a lot of these really tight braids. Let's bring her around and have a look.
All right, let's take a look at Nikita. See the braid.
There she is.
Oh, see, now that's a little more believable.
The key to this is it's not really necessarily about the braid. It's actually about the accessory. So I'm going to spin you around so you guys can see.
Nikita, that's insane. Have you ever done anything like this?
I have never done anything like this, no.
And do you have long hair? Like, how much of that is yours?
I would say it's pretty medium.
It's pretty, like, down here.
Yeah. So it's long. I mean, guys, look.
So this is part extension.
Yeah. So we actually, in the prep, so you'll see in the kind of prep
B-roll,
what we did in the B-roll, we added. I mean, the key part to this is actually getting a sleek, low ponytail, and then
Oh, her hair is long to be.
It is long, yeah, it's long, and it's also very thick. I added a ponytail piece just for you guys so you can see it in a little bit more drama. You don't have to use a ponytail piece, though. The idea is that you get a simple, tight braid, nice and sleek and nice and small. The detail with this and what made it really different is actually the wrap. So we have this fabric.
The wrap is beautiful.
The wrap is really, this is just fabric, guys, and they come pre-sticky, so you just literally wrap it around, if you guys can see that on the camera.
It looks
and
like
sticks
Christmas
in.
ribbon, but it already has sticky on the back.
Well, I'm going to tell you a little secret. Kim actually did a really long ponytail. It was a nice ponytail. I was like, how can we make this, like, we're in Paris, how can we make this ponytail look a little bit more elevated? I actually just cut a piece of the fabric off. So she had like a belt, and it was long, and I said, you know, do you need this much? And she said, no. So I cut it off, and we wrapped it around the base of the ponytail. And so many people spoke about it. They just really liked that extra detail. And it took it from being a ponytail to tying into the whole outfit. So, guys, add a few accessories to the ponytails or your braids. Makes a big difference.
Yeah. Accessories to your body.
Yeah,
why not put them in your hair?
But the best bit, I think, about it is the fact that it's inexpensive. So you can actually go from work to, you know, to a nighttime and kind of make it makes it like you put a lot of effort in. Yeah.
Well, you need a friend because you would have to be double jointed to put that little twisty do on by yourself.